In this video, I'll show you how to add zooms in Premiere Pro using FireCut. We have this talking head video, which is pretty boring when I'm just looking at the screen. So in order to make it more dynamic, I'll go ahead and click on zooms. By default, it's going to be set to the key phrases, but we can do it every other cut, every other sentence, and I really like every other cut. So we'll keep it that. Guidance video track will be track number 1, which is this one, V1. For the zoom style, I'm actually going to zoom a little bit higher, like so that it zooms in more like on my face instead of my mouth. Then we can customize how smooth do we want it to be, and this is really great because usually in Premiere Pro the zoom ins are just straight. There's a way to customize them, but you have to press extra buttons. But with this we can make a smooth zoom, so we can make it even smoother in this. For the target video track, I'll keep it as a new track because it needs to add adjustment layers in order to do the zooms. Once we're satisfied, let's go ahead and click on go. And you'll see that does it every other cut. So this is the cut, this is the cut, this is the cut, this is the cut, and this is the cut. Let's go ahead and take a look. Every single video I make starts with one of these 3 animated backgrounds. By the way, we can also customize the length. I'd like to make the length a little bit more because it's a little bit too fast for my taste. So I'll just delete this, go ahead and click on go, and we'll add the new zooms. Let's go ahead and give it a watch. Every single video I make starts with one of these 3 animated backgrounds. If I set up for the key phrase as the default one, it's going to ask us to do how frequently we want to zoom in. So I'd like to keep it on the higher end. I'll just delete this, click on go. It's going to do the analysis and it's going to do the zoom ins based on the speech. And by the way, we can customize like the zoom. So if we wanted to zoom on, let's say just this phrase, it's going to make the zoom a little bit shorter. Or if we want to do it on this whole phrase, for example, like that, it's going to extend it a little bit longer. And then as you saw, if we also highlight, we can also add the new zoom so that it's going to zoom in here as well, like that. So this is how you do the zooms in FireCut.